Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, I'm going to show you guys how to make these really fun tags that I just finished making. I made these tags with a very simple supply. Although it doesn't look like it's that simple, it's literally only like 2 or 3 things that I use to create this tag. And it was really inexpensive. I'm going to show you guys what I use, and you're not going to believe what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put this together with you guys, and hopefully it gives some ideas to someone who is looking for some inspiration. All right, so let's talk about the tag first, right? The tag that I'm going to be using, I really didn't do much with the tag because in reality, the tag already is made for me. I have these little goodie bags that I bought, and these bags came with the tag, and it came with a little string attached. Well, not attached, but with it, like a little bundle. So like a treat bag with the tags and the ribbon. And so I'm going to use this particular tag to create these adorable embellishments. All right, and I am going to show you the most simplest thing in the world. So here I have the tag that we're going to create. All right, let me put the actual ribbon through my tag so we can have that ready. All right, the next thing you're going to need is going to be some kind of scrap paper, craft paper. I have here this one that I'm using. Just use any scrap paper. Keep in mind that we are going to trim around the little bird or chick, so make sure you use paper that you kind of like to show through your project, because it's going to show. See how this has like a little kind of like a little border, like a little edge around it, so it's going to show. So make sure that you use the paper that you are okay using, and that it doesn't conflict with any other projects or any other papers that you're putting together, right? All right, so I have here the scrap paper, and I'm going to use my little chick that I have here, and I'm going to attach my chick to my paper. All right, how am I going to attach it? Very simple. I'm going to use double-sided tape, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to add some double-sided tape on this end, add some double-sided tape around the area of the head. You're not going to put too much double-sided tape, but you're going to put enough that you can actually just glue this down excuse me, to your paper. That's really all you're going to do. All right, you don't have to go crazy and add a lot of tape to your little birdie. We also have here a bunny that I also was able to find. All right, okay, so let me ask you a question. I'm sure you guys are asking yourself, well, where did she get these bunnies and where did she get these chicks from? I'm gonna show you. I went to a Dollar Tree a few weeks ago, and I got a garland that looks similar to this, but this garland had the little bunnies and the little chicks hanging down. All right, literally it was just like this. It was just hanging from the garland all around the chickies and also the little bunny. All right, so what I did was I purchased the garland, and very carefully I pulled out these little images from the garland, and that is what we're using to create our embellishment. How simple and how clever is that, right? If you have this one that has the little Easter eggs, you can do the same thing too. Just use your scissors, very carefully just cut the image, and you can use that as an embellishment as well. Okay, so now that I gave you a little bit of a trick on how you can find these adorable little embellishments, The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fuzzy cut it. So all you have to do, don't go crazy fuzzy cutting, okay? Just go around the image. Leave yourself a nice little space around the image. That's why I said earlier, make sure you use the paper that you are okay using, because the border around the little birdie is going to show. So just go around, okay? Just go around your little bird, leaving a little bit of a gap, okay? If you want to come close, you can also. I kind of find that leaving a little bit of a nice gap kind of gives your embellishment more of a finished look. All right, so just go around. Don't go crazy fuzzy cutting. Just follow your image. That's all. All right, and you should get something like this. Now, having the little image like this is much more easier to adhere it to any project. You want to use a cupcake liner embellishment, you can attach this beautiful little embellishment to that. Or you can use it as a cupcake topper. You can use this whatever you want. You can add it into like a little maybe like a what do you call those? Oh my gosh, a pen pal. You sending out something to your pen pal for Easter. This is a cute idea to add in there. You can even add these as a tag. All right, so that's how you make these little embellishments, and you can make gazillions of them, because in one little garland, I think you probably have like over 2 dozen of these little birdies. All right, okay, so now that we know how to create our embellishment, we are going to attach it to our little tag. I'm using double-sided dimensions because I want my little bird to kind of lift up from the tag. With this dimension, I'm going to actually cut this in half, because what I want to do is I want to add a little strip of this right in this corner right here of the tag. All right, so let's do that. I'm going to add it as close as I can to the edge, because I don't want to cover the Happy Easter. All right, so it's going to look something like this. We're going to peel this off, and that is where we're going to add our little cute little chickie. All right, you're going to add it on the side, making sure that your Happy Easter does not get completely covered, because you want to see that. And that is literally how we create this adorable little embellishment. The last thing that I did was I added a cute little bow right here. So I have my bows already done for me, because you guys know me, I'm not very good with bows. So I kind of do them in advance so I don't struggle on camera making them. All right, I'm going to add a nice little yellow cute tiny bow. All right, just gonna fix this a little bit. I'm gonna cut the tails because I think the tails are way too long. So let's cut the tails. And now we're going to add a little bit of hot glue to the back of the bow, and we're going to add it right by the neck area of the little birdie. You don't have to add too much. Just a little tab is fine. And we're going to add that right there. And voila. And we're done. And that is exactly how we create these fun, gorgeous, simple, easy, affordable, just adorable little taggies. I just love them. They're just so adorable. I love how they look. I love how they turn out. I think they're just absolutely beautiful, right? And so easy to make. Now, what I'm going to use these tags for is for a goodie bag. I showed you guys earlier. This goodie bag is the one that I'm going to use. I already have one here made so I can show you. And that is how my goodie bag is going to look like. I have some chocolates in here, and I attached a gorgeous little ribbon, like not ribbon, tag And it just looks, I mean, I just love it. I love it. It looks so beautiful. Keep in mind, you can always use the bunny also if you want. You don't have to use the little chickie. You can always use the bunny. All right, my loves? Wow, I love it. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these beautiful little adorable little tags. And I hope that you got some inspiration. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. I love you all so much. And I will see you on my next video, my loves. Bye.